gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today I've got a double fragrance unboxing from Harrods, from me and the lion. Yes, we went to Harrods. I didn't intentionally wear green today to, you know, be tonal with the Harrods green. It was just a happy accident. We went to Harrods for some shopping after staying over in London for the Lion's work and me meeting up with a bestie, and we decided we'd go and have a look around. I was looking for something in particular in Harrods Beauty. I went to the Prada counter to try and find the triangle Prada lipstick clutch gift set that my good friend here on the YouTubes, Mary of Lumi Level Up, I'll have her channel linked down below, shared with us recently. I watched that video on the train on the way into London and thought, I need that. So that went straight to the top of the list of things to search for. Looked in Selfridges, couldn't find it. Looked in Harrods, didn't exist. Didn't seem to come to the UK. But while we were at the Prada beauty counter in Harrods searching for this elusive gift set, we tried a few little scents while we were there, and the lion picked one that he really liked, and I didn't want to feel left out, so I picked one that I really liked as well. And because they were so brilliant, they did such a good job trying to find that gift set for us, and we were with them for ages. They were so nice, really were nice. They gave us a load of little freebies as well. So we'll get into the freebies first. One of which isn't even like a little tester thing, it's an actual freebie. Okay, so let's have a look at these little pouches we got. So I've got Prada, this is a cream, augmented skin cream. So I'm going to say that's for me. And then I've got a couple of packets of this serum. I don't know how well these are going to show up on the camera because of the metallic nature of them. So a couple of packets of those, a couple of like little travel packs, little tester sample jobbies of perfume there, and a couple for the lion as well, a little couple of samplers there as well, and oh, another cream. So I've got two of everything. 2 perfume samples for him, 2 perfume samples, same fragrances. For me, 2 creams and 2 serums. So I'll enjoy trying out those serums and creams. I'm always open to trying out new creams. And the other thing that I got as a freebie, which I really wasn't expecting, is in this little pouch. And it's pretty weighty. So let's open it up together. I know what it is, but I'm excited because I didn't actually get to see it properly in store. It's kind of a dust bag, but not really. It's like one of the ooh, not what I was expecting. It is a perfect match. Something was telling me to put this shirt on today. Something was telling me, look, it's a perfect minty green match. It is this. It says Prada Beauty on it. Yes, it does say Prada Beauty on it. And it's got a little popper. And it's a little pouch. And in this little pouch is, oh, we're going to peel that off in a minute, a little handbag mirror. How cool is that? It's meaty. It really is meaty. So this triangle is kind of the Prada logo emblem thing that you will find on there. Obviously they've got Prada in their very specific font, but you will usually see it on this triangle. Let's peel these off together. Super shiny. We've got one on the mirror as well. No, there isn't one on the mirror, and the mirror is already fingerprinty. But how about that for a lovely... Oh, well, that is really cool. Really cool. I mean, she said it was going to be like a little mirror for your bag, but I had no idea it was going to be that good. Well, props, Prada. Well done, Prada. As a freebie, knocks socks off anything you get from Chanel, doesn't it? Oh, wow, I really can't get over that. And if you can't get over that, because you, like me, love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then you should probably go ahead and hit the subscribe button and stick around on this channel. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Right, let's get into the actual perfumes. In this little Harrods bag, the Lion went for this one. I will show you in a moment. And I went for this one. Very pink, isn't it? Pink and mint. So the Lion went for Prada. This is Luna Rossa. This is Carbon. So I think Carbon is the flavour. There was another one which I think was called Black that he tried, which was really, really nice, but it was super subtle. Now, we decided that that one was very sexy because it was so subtle, you had to really nuzzle in to get any whiff of it at all. This was quite nice and fresh, Carbon. I will get some tasting details up on the screen because I'm not going to open this for him. I want him to do that himself. But this was really nice and fresh, and it's quite different from what he usually wears, which is the Dior Sauvage Eau de Parfum. So I am an Eau de Parfum person. I personally like the extra strength, the longer staying power you get with an Eau de Parfum rather than Eau de Toilette. This one is actually an Eau de Toilette, but it really packed a punch. We decided that this was a really, really nice fresh one for him to sort of mix things up a little bit. He's got a few fragrances, but generally speaking sticks with the Dior Sauvage. I always struggle when I talk about Dior Sauvage because we call it sausage in our house. I don't know why, but you know when you say something wrong so many times for fun, you forget how to actually say it correctly. That's me and Dior Sauvage. Sauvage. He does also have another Prada fragrance which he really, really likes. So that was a bit of a win. And this one, this is the Paradoxe. This is Eau de Parfum. I think we both went for the largest size you can get. And this one, it looked like, I don't know about the men's. Get this open. This one, crinkly plastic covering out of the way. This one had a refill station in the boutique. Whoops, wasn't expecting that. Just look at this box, it's very pretty, that pink. It's kind of very blush, very boudoir. Okay, so this is in also the sort of classic Prada triangle. Look at that bottle. Okay, so when you have it sitting on the side, it just sits like that on the shelf, which is all very groovy to me. It's got the Prada Milano. We've got Prada on the top there. And I was initially put off trying this because it said floral, and your gal isn't that floral. However, I did have a little spray in store, and it is floral, but it's not overpoweringly floral, but it has that spice, that kind of spice kick at the end. So I'm going to spray a little on. And do you know what this reminds me? It's really sweet on the first hit as well. It's like sweet, but that dies off really, really quickly. And then you're left with this kind of sweet spiciness, which reminds me a lot of the original Jean-Paul Gaultier. Was it La Femme? I know the boys' one is called Le Mal. Very strong. I wouldn't want to be wearing this just to pop to the shops, although where we live, everyone wears all of their strongest smelling perfume going to the shops. So I wouldn't be particularly out of place if I did do so. But for me, this is much more of a hot and heavy summer nights kind of spicy kind of, you're doing a bit of salsa, you're drinking a few martinis, it's hot, the sun's going down, but it's only just hit 10 o'clock at night. You know, it's that kind of, it gives me that kind of vibe. You might have tried this Paradoxe and have completely different feelings about it, but that's just what comes to my mind. I was just looking at the box to see if there were tasting notes on there, and to be honest, That writing, I'm never going to read that. I will get, again, the tasting notes up on the screen for you. But I also noticed that they've got this cute little QR code there to scan to enter the Paradoxe experience. So that's probably going to come up with some sort of animation or something. So those are our latest luxury fragrances. Building up quite a collection now. And tastes change, so you switch around things. It's a really nice thing, actually. I think I felt really cozy and a little bit cute with the lion for buying his and hers perfumes from the same brand on the same day. It was just a nice little thing to do. And although we don't technically celebrate Valentines, you know, you could do something like this for Valentine's. Get you and your other half a his and hers, his and his, hers and hers, theirs and theirs, fragrances, whatever, whichever way you slice and dice it. You know, going for something a little matchy-matchy, but not quite matchy-matchy for a little sort of Valentine's gift. And yeah, that would be quite nice. And then you've got the excuse to get in close and have a good little sniff. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have these fragrances and what you think of them. I would be very keen to hear your thoughts. Or if this video has inspired you to try out these fragrances for the first time, or if you even just found it mildly amusing, then please do show it the thumbs up love. Every little helps with YouTube's algorithms of doom. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!